Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. My name is Sourav and today I am going to unbox Xiaomi's portable air compressor 1S Black. So it has come in this package. We have ordered it from MI's official website. It was priced 2,999 and it was delivered the next day. So let's get started with the unboxing and see what's inside. The packaging is great. It comes in a bubble wrap which prevents any damage during transit. If you own a 4-wheeler or a 2-wheeler, this tool can be a savior. With the help of this tool, you can easily inflate your tire in case of emergency. The box looks sleek and it has all the details that you need to know about the device. As you can see, the box is sealed from both the sides. If you receive a box that is not sealed or the seal has been broken, you should consider asking the retailer to replace it. Apart from the device and the documentation, the box also comes with this pouch which can help you carry around the portable device with you. Also, it has one pin that you can use to inflate any volleyball or football and a cable to charge the device. It is a simple USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. In order to start the device, you need to pull the air hose from its place. There are vents on the sides to allow heat dissipation. This button allows you to change the modes. As you can see, there are modes for cycle, motorbikes, 4-wheeler, and even basketballs. You can even increase or decrease the air pressure manually as per your requirement. The LED indicator indicates what percentage of charge is left in this device. It also comes with an LED torch option and it can be changed into a blinking mode which you can use during emergency. This is the charging port of the device and it uses Type-C. Now that was the unboxing part. Now it's time to test the device and see how it works. Shout out to my friend Rahul Sidhanta who has bought this device and let me unbox it. He has a YouTube channel where he talks about SSC, stenography and more. He also has a blogging channel. The links to both the channels are given in the description.
If you like his video, you can follow his channels.
Whew, it's really hot outside. So yeah, so that was our first impression of this product, Xiaomi's portable electric air compressor. Hope you have liked it. If you have liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it. I publish tech related videos on regular basis. Thanks for watching.